There are hiccups. Hiccups are sudden spasms of your diaphragm, followed by your vocal cords snapping shut. That's the hic sound. Why does this happen? Scientists have a few ideas. One theory is that hiccups are related to ancient reflexes from our distant ancestors, possibly going back to creatures that used gills, which means every time you hiccup, your body might be briefly remembering that it used to be a fish. You are sitting in class, trying to be normal, and your ancient fish software activates. Hic, beautiful.